What is up, Toyota fans? This is Andrew from 4Runner Customs. Today we're back with another 4Runner video. We're going to go over how to replace the engine air filter in your 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner. So let's jump right in. You want to start by getting access to the engine compartment by popping and raising your hood. On the left hand side of the engine you will find two banana clips that hold the filter housing onto the engine. You pull straight back on those and they should pop off pretty easily. They kind of wrap around the left hand side and you can just easily pull those back to access the filter itself. Now I'll pull straight back to reveal the air filter itself. As you can see, it's pretty large and it's kind of a funny shape. Now to remove it, it's just as simple as pulling it back. It might be a little stuck if it's old, but look at this one. It is absolutely filthy. So let's get rid of this one and go ahead and grab our new one. You can notice the color difference between the two, and it was definitely time for a new one on this vehicle. Putting the new filter in is super simple. You just slide it in. There's really only one correct way it can go, and once you slide it in, you can prepare to refasten the banana clips. The far side of the housing has some little notches where it fits into the engine itself, so make sure you line those notches up. You'll know when they're sitting correctly, and from there you can push the other side in and fasten the banana clips just how they were before. So that completes the replacement of the engine air filter in your 4Runner. While it was open, I went ahead and wiped off the engine housing just for the heck of it. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're looking to upgrade your 4Runner or earlier Toyota and make it stand out, please check out our website, 4runnercustoms.com, link in description. Thanks.